Hi, welcome to my YouTube video. My name is Nehat, and in today's video, I'm going to be getting ready for a friend's Sangeet. And because it's an Indian wedding, I've chosen to wear an Indian outfit, and let me just quickly show you all what I'm wearing. For the top, I have this dress. It's it's got a lot of frills all at the bottom as well as at the sleeves, and I really love that. And then it has this mirror plus beads all over the top, and it looks pretty beautiful. So that's the top. To go with it, we have these pants. Again, the pants have this frills at the bottom, okay, right from the knee area all the way down. So these are the pants, and then it's got this plain dupatta to go with it. So yeah, that's the outfit. I've already done my makeup. I'll quickly put this on. Today's video will probably just focus on the dress and the styling of the dress. So I'll just put this on quickly, and then I'll be right back, and then we'll style it together. See you. So here I am back with this dress on. Yeah. So now let's just quickly accessorize. So I'll show you all what I'm wearing. For the earrings, I have these. So let me put this on. I think I like these earrings. The reason I'm wearing these is because this matches the golden work on here. And also, if you can notice, there's this pearl peach colored, and then this also has these peach colored pearls in the middle. So I just thought probably this would match. I also have these bangles which I'm wearing, which I think will go well with the white pearls on this. I am pairing it with this watch, again white. I have this ring, so I'm pairing it with this ring. And finally, I'm debating a bit about the Mang Tika. So I also have this Mang Tika. I'm going to keep my hair open with center parting, and then I can put this. Let me put this on and see if it's working. Yeah. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments if this Magtika is a little too much or it goes well. I'm not doing anything on the neck. The reason being because it's already there's so much of work, and I also have so much going on the face. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Let me see if I would want to put the dupatta this way. Maybe not. It's just looking too heavy. So I'll just put the dupatta in this way. Yeah. And for the footwear, let me just quickly show you all what I'm wearing for the footwear. So I'm wearing these for footwear. I think it goes well with the outfit, the color, and then the diamonds also match my bangles. So that's going to be my footwear. And yeah, with that, the look is complete. That's how it looks. So that's about it in this video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the dress and the styling of it. For more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on further videos. And thank you for passing by. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.